Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X1 or X3 and you're trying to remove or replace Valvetronic motors. Stay with us guys and we'll cover everything from start to finish guys. How to remove and how to replace Valvetronic motor on BMW X1, X3 if you have N52, N53 engine guys, and we'll cover everything from start to finish. Now if you need to buy any tools, parts, new Valvetronic motor, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Something else guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let me show you guys what we have here now. This is N52 engine. Now that same engine can be found in BMW X1, X3, X5, BMW 3, 5 Series and 1 Series, especially here in the United States. Very popular engine, one of the most popular engines. And your Valvetronic motor is located right under that cover here, and where you have that thing, okay, that's where the motor is usually located. We will explain where it is now and how to remove it. Make sure you stay with us until the very end, and there are very important things that we need to share. Something else guys, if you have a BMW or pretty much any car, check out this channel, How to Repair guys. This is our main channel and we have helped more than 71 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. Now, why we're making this video? Simply because many of you asked us in the comment section below how to do that on BMW X1 and X3 because there is very limited information. Even though it's the same engine in 3 and 5 Series, many of you don't know that and I don't blame you, but we'll show you guys how to do it. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, first, we need to remove the upper engine cover. In some cases, guys, okay, let's explain first before we pull it. You may have 4 rubber bushings keeping that cover attached to the valve cover, the engine cover to the valve cover, or if you have screws, okay, you will see them, guys, you need to remove them because there are 2 different designs. So we'll go ahead, grab and pull this one out. Okay, ours is the one with the bushings. Okay, and you can see the bushings underneath, those rubber bushings, they're attached to the upper valve cover, okay, right here. So now guys, Valvetronic motor is located right here. In order to remove it, what we'll need to do, we need to remove the ignition coils for cylinder number 3 and 4 now. So we need to disconnect the wiring harness and then we need to guys actually go ahead, okay, and remove the coil itself. The same thing needs to apply to the other side. Okay, perfect. And now guys, okay, what else we need to do? Let's explain now. This Valvetronic motor, some of you think, okay, it has 2 screws, super easy to remove and replace, 1 wire. No guys, you have a hidden bolt that's underneath, and in order to get to that bolt, you will reach it from this side, okay, and you will be using that reverse torque socket, but in order to get to it, you need to remove all that wiring harness, you need to move it a little bit out of the way. So, with reverse torque socket, we're going to remove one of the ground wires here. Very important thing to reconnect your ground wires later. Otherwise, guys, okay, your car may not perform correctly. So we will reconnect everything later. Second one is between cylinder. It's right under cylinder number 5. First one is under cylinder number 2. This one is holding only a single wire. Wow, this one is holding 2. This one and this one. So this one came out. Now check it out, we can grab it and we can move it out. If you need more room, disconnect all the ignition coils and you'll get all the room you need. Now this bolt guys, we already loosened and removed it, so we don't waste your time because it takes forever. That's a little bolt, but you just go on this side and you unscrew the whole thing, get it out, and after that we have the 2 bolts that we need to actually unscrew on top. Okay, you're going to see there. Two that we need to remove. 1 is out, just 1 more to go. And we need to disconnect the wire on the back later. Now it's spring loaded, so it will shift a little bit this way when you start getting the second bolt loose. That's normal. Okay, perfect. We grab it. Now the wire, we need to disconnect it, squish on each side, push the tabs in and disconnect the wire. Grab the motor. Okay, you can see it comes out. And this is the motor, and you have a gasket between the Valvetronic motor, okay, and and the valve cover as well right here. So this is it, guys, this is the Valvetronic motor. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. But if you guys want to see how to test it, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain everything from start to finish, and it takes only a few seconds to test your motor and know if it's good or bad, and why to waste money on a new one if yours is working, right? Another thing, guys, every time you replace that motor, okay, let me show you, replace that gasket here as well. Because otherwise you develop oil leaks. With it too, right here you're going to collect quite a bit of engine oil. Check it out, all that oil is underneath, so we need to clean everything now, and we need to put new gasket. If you guys need to buy a new gasket and you need to see what it looks like, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you will see where we ordered ours from. We'll get a new one. Putting it together, everything is, guys, practically exactly in reverse order that we took it apart. You replace the gasket, install the motor, and don't forget to install the wiring harness, ground wires, and ignition coils. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.